Jan in de Zaak. Dutch pudding. A dessert from Netherlands. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Dissolve yeast in milk. Add egg, flour, raisins, salt and peel, mix well. Step 2. Let stand 1 to 1.5 hours in warm place. Step 3. Sprinkle flour on a piece of cheesecloth large enough to hold dough. Pour in batter and tie, leaving a little room to allow for swelling. Step 4. Put in large kettle of hot water, boil for 2 to 2.5 hours. Step 5. Untie, remove from bag and slice pudding with a thread. Serve with butter and sugar. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.